G'day! In this quick win, we're going to install the Lepton X theme for MVC UI on ABP Commercial 5.3. This quick win is also located with its instructions on learnabpframework.com. So here we are in Windows Explorer, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up a Windows terminal, and we're going to make sure that we first update the ABP CLI. So I've already done that, so we're going to run the command ABP Suite. You'll also have to update the ABP Suite so that it's using 5.3 version. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the ABP Suite to create a project in this folder over here. So here we are in ABP Suite, and you get this with ABP Commercial, and it's a really easy way of creating solutions, installing modules, and so forth. So let's click on create new solution, and we'll say that we'll leave it as default, which is the application template. We'll also give it a name, so we'll call this amazing.software, and we'll give it this path over here, and we'll say that yes, we want to create a solution folder, so it's going to create a folder for us, Amazing Solutions. It's going to be the type of MVC. We don't want a mobile solution or project. We're going to use Entity Framework Core. I'm going to use my local SQL Server, and I'm going to make the database name Amazing Pro Quick Win 012, and yes, I'm going to have the public website, and I'm going to install the CMS kit, and just click on OK, and that will go away and create us the folder in here, and it will start populating the projects and the various different files and so forth. So we'll just go back to the suite to see when it completes. So here we are. Once it's done, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you want to create the database and seed the initial data? So using ABP Suite, we don't have to use the CLI, but all these things can be done by the CLI as well. And you can check out one of my other courses where I install the Lepton X Lite in ABP Framework 5.3, which is the open source version. So I'm going to click yes here, and that will go away and create the database and initialize the database with its seed data. Okay, so it's created the database, and what we're going to do is we're just going to click OK over here. We're going to hop into Windows folder, and we're going to open up the solution. And now that we've got the solution open, we're going to just open up this web project file, and we're going to click on Windows Explorer again, and we're going to navigate into that web project, and we're going to click on WT so that we can open up a command prompt, and we're going to run this command .NET add package volo.abp.asp.net core.mvc.ui.theme.leptonx, and we're going to say pre-release. You'll have to have the ABP Commercial license, and I've already logged into the ABP CLI, so I'm going to click enter. So that command has added the volo.abp.asp.net core.mvc.ui.theme.leptonx. We'll remove the other default theme that comes with ABP Commercial, and we'll just save that, and we'll go into the web module class, and we'll also remove the Lepton theme from over here. So we need to get rid of this, and we need to get rid of this, which is the default theme. We need to add in our Lepton X theme, like so. We're tabbing here, and we will just drag in the library. Okay, just add in the libraries over here manually, and get rid of these. What we'll do is we will go into configure bundling, and we will also replace the configure bundle, make some changes here, and we'll just replace the bundles from the normal theme to Lepton X theme, and we'll save that, and then we will set this up as the startup project, and we'll run the solution. Okay, there are some build errors. Let's just fix up those build errors. Let's take out this theme and try it again. Okay, there are a couple of more things. Let's just fix those up. Back. Okay, let's try that again. So here we are. We can see the Lepton X theme running on our ABP Commercial solution. Let's log in. You can see that the page also of login looks different. And we've got to log in using the default username and password. And once logged in, we get this bar on the right hand side. We can change to dark theme. We can change to semi-dark. We can make it light again. And we can also change the containers to box, full width. You can also change the languages. So all these functions are on the right hand side in this menu bar over here, in this nav bar over here. On the left hand side, because we install CMS Kit, we've got pages, blogs, blog posts, tags, comments. We've got the ability to set up menus, global resources. This is the GDPR module. Sorry, this is the style and script and style, where we can actually define some custom script and styles. We've got the newsletters. We've got URL forwarding, as well as polls. We can see that there's a scroll bar missing over here, so when we actually expand administration, we can't actually scroll down. So it is still the beta 2, so there are some kinks and things like that to be ironed out. But the real cool difference between the Lepton X Lite and the Lepton X that comes with Commercial, the ABP Commercial, is that we can, so you can see that if I change this to iPhone X Pro, you can see that we've got the home, we've got the dashboard, so the menu comes down here instead of the top. With the Lepton X Lite, the menu is your, the waffle menu over here, but with Lepton X Commercial version, we've got the menu appearing down here, and you get this cool little menu bar that brings up the menu, the nav bar, and then you can surf to the different pages. And again, you've got the settings over here so that you can change it to semi-dark mode or light mode or so forth. So that's pretty cool. So that's how you do it. That's how you install and play around with the new Lepton X theme on ABP Commercial. Thanks.